What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today we have a really exciting episode for you. Today we are exploring a location that you may not know it exists. It's called South Bay Sk8 Kids. It's an all-inclusive place with skate lessons. It has a rink. It has a place to learn on ramps and rails and a little pump track. And they're having their grand opening today, so let's go check it out. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you love roller skating, you should definitely hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because I put out new videos every week all about roller skating. If you want to support me, support this channel, you can go head over to www.cheerstothequeers.com, buy some stuff, help me keep this channel a-rolling. All right, let's get to the video. Oh, sorry I'm late. I almost forgot my bag of skate stuff from fatfemmefatale.com. I made it. We're here. It's a South Bay Sk8 Kids grand opening. This place is so amazing. I'm so excited to get inside. So let's go check it out. So you work here?
Yes, I do work here.
Can you tell me a little bit about what South Bay Sk8 Kids is?
Yeah, so it's a skate school where we teach roller skating and skateboarding of all ages, starting at 2 all the way to 72. And yeah, it's pretty cool. We get to get all sorts of people from local areas and all the way from Chicago, and people coming all over to come skate and just bring really good vibes.
So what I'm hearing is if you would like to learn how to skate and you are semi near the South Bay, then you should hit up the South Bay Sk8 Kids. Even if you're not a kid, you could be a kid at heart and go roller skating. So let's go inside and skate. Well, I mean, there's this very cool rink. I feel like I should go skate on it. This rink is smooth. It is so smooth. The rink is smooth, the concrete is freshly poured, and I am ready because I love a smooth surface when I'm going roller skating. Is the South Bay Sk8 Kids skate shop. As you can see, it is absolutely so chock full of all the things that you could possibly dream of or want from a skate shop. I mean, check out this beautiful display of all of these skateboards. They're so cute. I'm thinking that maybe by the end of this video, I will be convinced to own a pair of these shorts. They're a little small, but I feel like I could at least wear them on an arm, right? Oh my God, a sleeve. As you can see, they sell pads, they sell helmets, they sell all sorts of wheels, they sell skateboards, roller skates, trucks, I have a lot of this stuff, but I still feel compelled to get more because all of this stuff looks so amazing. All right, so I am here with someone very, very important. You want to introduce yourself?
Oh, I'm important. Okay.
That is so important.
Hi, I'm Adele. I'm co-owner of South Bay Sk8 Kids. Welcome. This is our grand opening for our roller rink and our pump track and our shop. And we're stoked. The work is done.
Yeah, it literally looks so incredible. I'm walking around and my jaw is on the ground. It is amazing.
Thank you.
What would you say that you would want people to know about, what is this? Who can come?
We're calling it a skate oasis. So any type of skating, from skateboarding, park skating, roller skating, park roller skating to jam skating, pump track, all ages. We teach kids from age 2 all the way up to 72. So there's really something for everybody. If you just want to groove out on the rink or you want to drop in on a ramp, we have all of it.
Yeah, I was walking through the skate park area and I was like, oh my gosh, there's a rail that's like the perfect size for starting. Like,
Yes.
I've been looking for a pump track that's in
Yes.
this area.
Yes.
The concrete is so smooth, like
Yes.
it is just.
I laid the concrete, well, with the team of people, but I had the wheelbarrow with the concrete. So
Yes.
it's been a labor of love. So I hope everyone enjoys it.
Yeah, and do you skate?
Yes, of course.
What's your favorite type of skating?
Okay, so as a child, I skated roller rinks, and so this for me is just bringing all of that back. And I just started park skating maybe 2 years ago, so I do both. I do
Yes,
both.
I love
both
it.
ways.
Yes, we love someone who goes both ways. Well, thank you so much, and thank you for inviting us here.
Thank you.
And everyone, come out, support. Maybe you'll meet Adele if you come and stop by.
Yeah, I'm here every day.
How can people find you if they want to sign up for classes or if they just want to come?
100 different ways. So we're on Instagram, South Bay _Skate Kids. We have a website, South Bay Sk8 Kids. You can sign up for open skates, group classes, private lessons, camps. We do all of it. Yeah.
I'm so stoked. I'm gonna come now. Yeah, like this. I just showed up today, and now don't think I'm ever gonna leave. So
We're gonna have a rainbow skate night the end of the month. So that'll be our first adult skate night, 18 and up. Yeah.
Wow. All right. Well, everyone better show up to this because this is incredible, and you're missing out if you don't come.
So keep skating.
Yeah. Welcome to the place. I swear I did not dye my hair like this on purpose, but I just feel like it's kismet. Like this just really worked out. This is the skate park paradise at South Bay Sk8 Kids. If you look this way, we have ramps. There's 2 ramps. There's a little street section, a couple rails right here to practice on. Like this is, I honestly usually have more words, but I'm just like, this is so cool. There's even this pump track if we're gonna look around the corner. This is the pump track. This pump track, it's a straight line. You drop in and then you can go over it. Like, this is so dope. I cannot wait to try this. If you haven't tried a pump track yet, a pump track is a great place to practice pumping and also just to experience what it's like to take that speed and go up and down.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. When I hear him come like my fuse and then ba-bum. Later, see you later, I'm about to blow this up. You can sing or sing if you want, I know you want it. It's always kinda funny, yeah.
Wow, that was so much fun. I had such a good time. Thank you so much, South Bay Sk8 Kids, for having us. I definitely recommend that you go and you check them out because they're super awesome. And thank you so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to support me, go ahead and head on over to www.cheerstothequeers.com because there's lots of cool stuff over there, I promise. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!
I've got a